Hey, to use second space on POCO M6 Pro, first go into the settings, then scroll down and go into the additional settings. Now scroll down one more time and go into the second space. From here, click on this turn on second space. Now you will have to wait for the creating process. It will take around a dozen of the seconds. And now, as you can see, it is actually switching into this second space. So here we can click continue. We can switch between the spaces by using the password or a simple shortcut. So if you don't want to restrict access into the second space, you can use, for example, the simple shortcut. If you want to protect your second space from other persons, you will have to use the password. But in my case, I'm just gonna use this simple shortcut. So I have to click continue. And here we can set this space password. I don't want to do this, so I'm gonna skip. And now I'll have to wait for the finishing process. And as you can see right now, we actually have like second phone. There's like no apps installed. Everything looks like we just set up our device for the first time. If I click on the Play Store, I will have to add this Google account. And if I open, for example, the gallery, there's nothing in the gallery. So it feels like you just have two phones. And now if you want to switch back to this first space, click on the switch. And now you will have to use your password. In my case, it's actually the fingerprint sensor. That's actually your screen lock, just to confirm the changes. And now you are back with your original phone application. Everything is back. And that's how it looks. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.